In the last episode, we screwed over 1,000 screw studs into the NOS pocket bike tires. It was really sweet being able to ride a pocket bike on the ice. So in this episode, I'm going to be wheel swapping the X7 Super pocket bike and putting these tiny studded wheels on it for even more quirky pocket bike experiments. In order to make this work, I just had to create some spacers to compensate for the diameter differences since these wheels are quite a bit smaller than the X7 wheels. I knew I had to try this because think about it, these wheels are permanently like this now, so why not get as much use out of them as possible. Also, the X7 has a pit bike engine swap in it, so it'll be a lot more capable of handling some wet conditions, whereas the NOS bike, being electric, is more prone to issues. Also, I'm just dying to see the tiny wheels on the bigger bike. It goes without saying, but thank you to everyone that takes the time to rate these videos that I upload. I've been told recently that YouTube has been hiding my uploads from even the subscribers, so it really helps to give the video a thumbs up to give them the chance to reach everyone. This idea has me stuck a little bit now, and it sucks. I thought the packed down snowmobile trails would be just fine with the bigger bike, but I still wanted to upload this for you guys to show you the swap and how they performed in some light snow. I am keeping the wheels on the bike, so comment down below your suggestions, and thank you for watching until the end.
Oh yeah.